now we're going to do a corded buttonhole. You use corded buttonhole either for decorative buttonhole or to strengthen your buttonhole. So you get yourself a piece of string. It's normally number 5 crochet cotton. You come in from this side. So Sharon,
alright,
slide it in from, now at the back of your buttonhole foot, there's a little hook. So you hook it in there.
Okay.
And bring it under. Then you slide it into that gaps there.
In the front, right here.
That right there. And then just put a little tie in it, Sharon, because they do tend to come loose. And you don't want that to happen while you're making your buttonhole.
Oh, I think I need your hand here. Can you just pull that on for me?
Okay, and let go.
Yes.
So now we just put one little knot there, and then Sharon's going to show you how to make the corded buttonhole. It's exactly as your normal buttonhole, just with a cord in there, like I said, to strengthen it or to make it very decorative.
Alright, so I've already marked for my buttonhole, so I'll just start again on step 1 of 4. Put down the foot and then number 1 here.
You will see as she makes that buttonhole now how the thread forms over the cord.
So you're saying this makes it stronger?
It makes it stronger or it can be decorative.
Alright, so bring your needle to your highest position and then to number 2, the loop. Alright, and then number 3 going back up again.
And you'll see it will form the stitch over the cord as well.
And then back to where we started, bring your needle to its highest position. And number 4. Alright, and that's it. Lift up your foot and pull that out. Ooh, oopsie, what did I do?
That's right.
Alright, and then cut that. Alright, I'm done. So do I have to pull this?
So now what you do is, you take the one side and you pull it. So you pull there. Now you can see how nice your buttonhole looks. It's nice and raised there. It's strengthened.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, and then now we can make the openings for our buttonhole.